Want to learn how to add some background music to your snaps from Snapchat? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. So today, I'll tell you two of the ways to use background music to your snaps on Snapchat. The very first one is to play the background music and then shoot a video or photo at the moment. So let me show you how to do it. Take a video at the moment. So you need to adjust this Snapchat app's camera to a particular subject that you want to shoot off. But before that, you can choose a music, and there's a music option on this icons or features on the right corner. You can see there's a music-like icon below reel-like icon. Tap on music. You can see here the playlist, that is the playlist from the genre of music, that is hip-hop, Latin, mood, love, viral, snap trending, and even the recommended one. I want to choose one of the recommended one just for a demo, and then you can see that now you can capture with this filter.
See this in 3D, all lights out for me, all lights out for me. See this in 3D, all lights out for me, all lights out for me.
So you can see that I have just added music to my snap successfully. Now I can just save it or send it to someone. I'm going to save it by tapping on this downward directed arrow on the bottom left corner below. You can see that it has already been saved. So this is the first way to use a background music on your snaps on Snapchat. The second one is to choose a snap that is already on your snaps gallery. That means you have just already taken the picture or video before. I'm going to choose from this gallery icon next to this capture icon, one where you can get all of the snaps that you had clicked before. So I'm going to choose one of the photo or a video to add a music to. So let me choose this. Now you can add background music to the snap. For that, you tap on the three vertical lines on the top right corner, tap on edit snap below favorite snap, tap on this music like icon on the right corner section below seizure like icon. Tap on it so you can see the same option, that is playlist and the recommended one. So I'm going to choose one of the music. You can do of your own. So I'm going to choose this So Pretty by Rihanna Maria.
So pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that kid.
So you have just seen that it's the music that I want to add. I'm going to tap on the stick option in the bottom right corner to confirm it. So you can just adjust it up and above just like this. Now to save it, tap on done option on the top left corner. Tap on save changes, above discard changes. So you have successfully added a music to this photo. So this is how you do it. You can do the same with the videos and the next photos as well. So I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.